Alright, ladies, this is the hallway. It's like a marble type of deal. That's the hallway. I'm sitting right in front of the apartment. So this is the entry. This is the door. And my nice
My sister
realtor.
just did the same thing to show us the new apartment.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. So when we walk in, we step right into this kitchen. And there's the fridge, stainless steel. I'm still in the kitchen, and basically this is the this is the door where I came. This is still the kitchen. This is the space for the kitchen itself. There's a nice window here. There's one room which isn't very big, but really neat. Wait, I think it has a closet. Oh. There's a closet in this room. It's a small room, but it has a nice sized closet. That's it. And that's just basically the size of the room, which looks about 150, 100 square foot or something. And it has a window. Just big enough for, I'd say, a full-size bed. And here, back in the kitchen, well, I'm standing in the room. And I'm looking at the kitchen. I'm walking over to the next room, which has a bright window. But before we do that, let's take a look at the bathroom. Where's the lights? Okay, the bathroom. There's only one bathroom as usual. This is the bathroom, the sink, the bathtub. Alright, bathtub. And now I'm still outside of that second bedroom, which is there's a tiny little fireplace. And I would say this is big enough for a queen bed. It has two nice bright windows and a pretty good sized closet. So now I'm sitting against the window that you just saw. There's the closet. Alright, that's it. Now I'm stepping back from the room. Alright, that's it.